spare me your mercy. I'm a child so young, so fleet and so ready. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes I cannot see, but I know that you're staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Do you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness have passed. I can still remember the best happiness mother and I shared with each other. We were very happy indeed. And suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door, and a deep silence ensued. Did the cruel Nicholas discover a peaceful home? Mother runs to father's side, ready. Please, Oscar, hide in the cellar where they cannot find you. I pulled my father's arm, but he didn't move. As dim as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and before us, 5 ugly beasts came barging in. Are you Captain Luis Santos? Roared the ugliest of them all. Yes, said my father. You are under arrest, said one of the beasts. They pulled father roughly away from us. Father wasn't given a chance to bid us goodbye. We followed them mile after mile. We are hungry and thirsty. We saw a group of Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered with the delicious fruits they were eating. Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! We ran towards the direction of the voice, and it was too late. We saw father hanging on a tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible! He had been badly beaten before he died, and I cried out, vengeance! Vengeance! Everything went black. The next thing I knew, as I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a sign for us to find a shelter in our hideout, but I couldn't leave my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout, and suddenly, bombs started falling, airplanes were roaring overhead, cannons were firing from everywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered into pieces. I took her gently into my arms, and I cried, vengeance, vengeance. No, Oscar. Vengeance. It's God's, said my mother. But I cried out, vengeance. I was like a pent-up volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord's. No, Oscar. Vengeance. It's not ours. It's God's. Those are the words from my mother before she died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. To forgive is divine, but vengeance is sweeter. That was 5 years ago. 5 years. Spare me a piece of bread. Spare me a mercy. I'm a child so young, so thin and so rapid. Vengeance. Vengeance is not ours. It's God's.
Okay, thank you.